Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today, look at this. EDC The Beatles in the house for a review. We're gonna analyze the look, the sound, and the feel of this little fella right there. But hey, don't forget to like and subscribe and share and leave me a comment. Check out Fablades.com if you are into buying some cool toys. Let me know what you guys think about this one. So it comes with a pretty cool, nice hard case. EDC, it's a new brand I never heard of, and the Beatles, clearly the logo, you know this logo, right? And this guy is a very interesting one. It's a spinner. In this case, I think this is like a brass or like yeah, not copper, but anyways. 1.7 inches for the diameter, 0.47 for the thickness of this one, which is a interesting one. It has like a, as you can see, just like a regular spinner, basically like this part spins, all right? But there's a trick. Inside, you might see that there are holes. And inside these holes, let me show you real quick. You just open this. I'm gonna show you the secret right away. You find these balls, which are 6 inside these holes. So what they do is that they're gonna rattle only if the toy is held at one angle, because you see these grooves are gonna, these holes are gonna make these balls rattle because they're gonna be attracted from gravity. Only if you hold this, not in this position, but you flip it, and you hold it in this position. How cool is this? Silent? Kind of. And rattling. So that's very cool. You can decide if you want to be obnoxious or not. So very interesting. But let's quickly check the weight on this fella, because there's quite some heft to it. Definitely it's not titanium. I'm not sure if it's brass, bronze, or copper. I don't think it's copper. 3.95 ounces. It feels good in the hand. It looks great. It's kind of like the rim of a sports car kind of thing. I like the fact that like this looks like a tire, and this probably like a futuristic rim for sure. There's some nice design to it. It has asymmetrical design, as I just showed you, on the outside and on the inside. Just a couple of reference here. AC EDC, that's the gamer clicker, and this is the gamer slider. This is the Black Mirror design telephone dial, Helios ratchet right over there. These are a couple of coins from Lauti, and a collaboration with AC EDC and EDC House. What else you want to see? Just a couple of shield. That's the armor shield, and this is the bulletproof shield, just to give you perspective on the size of this fella right there. So really cool design, very minimal, but at the same time quite elaborate. I love the fact that in the hand feels really good, but this takes the cake. It's the first time I'm having a dual sound experience at the same spinning, with the same spinning action. It's very unique, very cool. It feels good in the hand, looks good, and sounds rattly in this way and quiet in this way. So it's a clever one. There you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.